Good morning. This is Deepak Sarkar from Victoria, BC, Canada, 844 Royal Oak Avenue. I'm reporting a very special observation of a half cabbage that was left in the refrigerator for a while and uncooked, and that started growing inside the refrigerator. I took it out and freed it from the plastics and kept it in the air. Then it started growing on its own, feeding on itself. And instead of a cabbage, it seems to be having broccoli-like things on the top. Today is Wednesday, April 20, 2016, and this is that cabbage, half cabbage. It's now almost gone. I need to plant this immediately, and look at the broccoli coming out at the top. And the shape even, it's not a cabbage shape anymore. It's like a broccoli tree or plant. So this is the discovery that a half cabbage that was left in the refrigerator for a while, I forgot to cook it, and the day I took it out, I saw there is a growth at the at the top of the stem, and then I realized that the thing is growing already and I didn't cook it. So I kept it outside, and it started growing and growing. I have other pictures that will be attached with the video. And again, reporting this amazing discovery of botanical or agricultural context, that a half cabbage left in the refrigerator started growing inside, but when it kept outside, it became a broccoli plant and started producing broccoli. Again, this is Deepak Sarkar from Victoria, BC, Canada, and today is April 20, 2016.